New York mortgage fraud lawyer, criminal defense attorney. New York mortgage fraud attorneys. What is mortgage fraud? According to the FBI, mortgage fraud is a material misstatement, misrepresentation, or omission relating to the property or potential mortgage relied on by an underwriter or lender to fund, purchase, or insure a loan. There are two distinct areas of mortgage fraud: fraud for profit and fraud for housing. Individuals who commit fraud for profit are often specialized within the industry and use their tailored and expert knowledge to commit or facilitate the fraud. Fraud for housing is usually conducted solely by the borrower. The borrower is usually motivated to commit fraud to acquire or maintain ownership of a house under false pretenses such as misrepresented income or falsified asset information on a loan application. There are several types of mortgage fraud schemes. The most common investor fraud schemes are different types of property flipping, occupancy fraud, and the straw buyer scam. Property flipping is not illegal when associated with buying a house, fixing the house, and reselling it for a profit. Occupancy fraud occurs when a borrower claims that a home will be occupied by the owner in order to obtain a favorable loan. The most common mortgage fraud schemes committed by individuals are identity theft and income and asset falsification. Identity theft occurs where the buyer obtains the financing using an unwilling or unaware victim's personal information. This information may include the victim's social security number, birth dates, addresses, stolen pay stubs, bank records, tax return, and falsified employment verification letters. A skilled mortgage fraud attorney in New York can navigate you through the legal process and ensure your rights are fully protected. The FBI and Maine Justice have created task forces to investigate lending, banking, and borrowing related to real estate mortgages. The federal government has employed a financial fraud enforcement task force and mortgage fraud working group to help combat mortgage fraud. These forces use intelligence sharing and collaboration with other governmental agencies to collect information about the mortgage industry and spot emerging trends and patterns.